selling small appliances, let me show you around our 120,000 square meters factory area. Let's go! This is our office building. Let's go, let me show you others. Here are production building A. Here, production building B. And here is our production building C. Here's our production building D. Injection molding machines, super chrome mechanized arms, large sheet metal machines and vending machines. From raw materials to high-quality products, we have a full set of production lines. That's our advantage. We have many modes, patents, experienced R&D engineering staff, professional sales team, serving numerous foreign customers. That's our advantage. From order taking, design, mold ordering, producing, testing, packaging, to transportation, one-stop purchase to meet all your needs. That's our advantage. Friends, many customers need to hire inspectors to be present before delivery. This will increase a lot of cost. Our inspection process is very standard. We guarantee that we will do 100% inspection of the order. We can open the mobile phone video, record the whole process for you to save unnecessary costs. Hello, these two production lines are simply toasters, one for 2 slices and one for 4 slices. We are catalog our warehouse, over 50,000 pieces